In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix task host is stopping background task in Windows 11. So let's get started. So we just need to go to the Windows search bar and type regedit or regedit. Click on registry editor under the best match. Then just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So simply click on HQ local machine and then click on the arrow to expand the list. Click on the system folder, click on the arrow to expand the list. Then here you have to click on the current control set and then simply click the arrow to expand the list. And then you have to click on services, click on the arrow to expand the list. Then we need to look for the WP end user service. Here it is, the WP end user service. And then on the right pane, you will notice the value start. Double click and change the value data to 4. The value data is 4 hexadecimal base and click on OK. So this is the registry path. HK local machine system current control set services WP and user service. And then the value name start and then change the value data to 4 hexadecimal base and click on OK. Then you have to close the registry editor, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will fix the issue for you. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.